Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use conditional formatting by highlight cells in Excel. So to use conditional formatting, first of all select the values or column where you want to apply conditional formatting. And then here you can see in Home tab, conditional formatting, click on this. And the first option is highlight cell rule. Here you can see different options: greater than, less than, between, equal to, and furthermore. So suppose we want to highlight those cells who have sales more than 50,000. So what will we do? Go in greater than, and here we will give the limit. Say we are giving limit of 50,000, and with what to do them? Here you can see list: light red fill with dark red text, yellow fill with dark yellow text, and you can either change the color of text, say red text, red border. So I am selecting light red fill with dark red text and click on OK. Here you can see the sales more than 50,000 have been changed into red text and light red background. Similarly, you can use this to less than option. So again I will select this and go in conditional formatting and highlight cell rule, and here click on less than and say I am saying less than 50,000 and convert it to yellow filled with dark yellow text. Click on this and click on OK. Here you can see the sales less than 50,000 are changed, text color is changed, and also fill color is changed. So this is how you can use conditional formatting by highlight cells in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.